In this video, let's see or understand about some of the basic vocabulary like basic terms in Python. So there are basic five terms like keywords, identifiers, literals, statements, and expression. Let's understand see one by one. So first is the keyword. So what is keywords? So keywords are the words that are reserved words that have a specific purpose. So some words in Python are reserved for specific purpose. You can use that word to do some particular action. So it has some specific meaning in Python. If you use that word in that code in your code, it performs a specific task. So example for the keyword is like true, false, or if, like that. So how to know what are the uh, how many keywords are there in Python? So in order to get the keyword, you have to write like, you can see it like print keyword dot list. Keyword dot list. Okay, this function, and I run it. So these are the keywords like false, none, true, and, as, assert, await, break, or so. In total, there are 35, nearly 35 keywords are there in Python. So these are the keywords that are reserved words. In Python language, these words are reserved for specific purpose. So you can perform the specific task by using this keyword. So you can't use the keyword, some reserved words, to name your variable. For example, you can't use true to name your variables like true is equal to 1. You can't do this in the Python because these words are already reserved while building the language of Python. These these are reserved words for specific purpose. So keywords are the words that are reserved words have a specific purpose in Python. So example for keyword is false, none, true, false, if else, except, finally, for. So these are the keywords in Python. So this is about a keyword in Python. So keyword is the reserved words in Python that have a specific purpose. So you can use that keyword in your language to perform a specific task. So you can't use it as a variable in your program. Okay, this is about a keyword. So next one is identifier. So identifier, what is identifier? So identifier is the name. Okay, identifier is the name for a variable, function, or class. So it's a name given to the variable, function, or class for identifying. Okay, for example, you have a variable like a, you given the name for that variable as a. So name which is used to identify a variable in a class is called as identifier. Okay, for example, I will give you an example. For example, I will define the name. This is variable, name is equal to Ankit. Okay, name is equal to Ankit. In this name is a name is a identifier, means it's a variable name. My variable name is name. So identifier is a name given to a variable. So user defined name for a variable, function, or class. In this, for variable, I given the name as name. I will change the name because it's confusing. For example, A is equal to Ankit. In this, name given to the variable is A. So A is the identifier of this variable. So there are some rules to defining the identifier, like it can combination of alphabets, underscore, and numeric. Your identifier can be combination of alphabet, numbers, or underscore. It should only start from an underscore or a alphabet. It can start like this: a underscore, and A. Okay, you can also have the number like this, but you can't write like this: first number, then alphabet, then underscore. No, first it should start. It can start from either underscore or a letter. It can have three, like alphabet, number, or a underscore. Except underscore, no special character is allowed to included in the identifier. So just to sum up, identifier is a name given to the variable. Okay, it's a name defined for the variable, function, or class. So identifier can be combination of underscore, letters, or number. It can only start from either letter or underscore. It cannot start from the number, and it should not include any special character like hash, dollar, et, except underscore. So these are some rules for identifier. So identifier is a name given to the variable. Okay. Then next one is identifier and literals. The third one is literals. Okay. The third one is literals. So what is literals? Literals, literal value like a number, like 42, 3.14, or a string, for example, hello world, or boolean value like true or false. So in simple, literal is a value which is assigned to the variable. For example, a is equal to 35. So I am assigning the value 35 to the a variable. In this, 35 is the literal, means a value, or to the name is equal to Ankit. Name is equal to Ankit. In this statement, the name or the Ankit is a literal which is assigned to the variable. So literal is the value which is to be assigned to the variable. So literal is the value. So the identifier is the variable name. In this example, A and the name are the identifier, and Ankit and 35 are the literals. Okay. Then the next one is statement. Statements. So statement is a set of instruction. Okay. For example, the set of instruction or the command given to the computer. So statement, the line of code that perform an action like assignments, loops, or conditional or functions call. So it's a set of instruction. For example, I will write print hello world. Okay. Print hello world. This is a statement. Whatever the line of code is called as statement. The line of code in Python is called as statement. This is also statement. This is also statement. Everything, the line of code or the command, the instruction given to in the line of code is called as statement. Okay. The next one is expression. Expression. So expression is a combination of the operator and the operand. I will explain with the example. A is equal to 2 plus 3. Okay, so this is a expression. This is a combination of the operand and the operator. In this example, this is expression. There are two, like operator. In the plus symbol and equal sign is the operator. This is the additional operator. This is the assignment operator. So the number like 2 and 3 are the operands. So by you this so the expression is the combination of operator and the operand. So this is a combination of operand and operator. Here plus is the operator, 2 and 3 are the operand. So expression is a combination of operator and the operand. So I will sum up with an example. A is equal to 50 plus 60. Okay, so this is a one statement. So this is a statement. The statement I will use like if a a is greater than 100, a is greater than 100, print yes, a is greater than 100. Okay, so I will run this code. Yes, a is greater than 100 in this example. So this is a one code, a small code. I will explain all the terms I have explained in this video. So this is a code. In this, if is a keyword. It is used to do a condition, to perform the condition, whether to check the condition whether this is true or false. Then it enter the this loop. Thus that code part. So if is a keyword in this code. So if is a keyword, the reserved word. By using if, I can check this condition. So if is a keyword, then identifier, the a is a identifier, the name given to the variable. Here the name given to the variable is a. So a is a identifier. Then literals, 50 and 60 are the literals. Okay, these are the value which is assigned to a. So 50 and 60 are the literals. Then this is the statement. A is equal 50, this is the statement. If else, if print, all these are the statement. Then this a is equal to 50 plus 60, this is the expression because the combination of operator and the operand. So these are some of the vocabulary in the Python, like keyword, identifier, literals, statement, and expression. Keyword is a reserved word which is used to perform specific tasks. Identifier is a name given to the variable. Literals are the value which is assigned to the variable. Statement is a set of code or instruction. And expression is a combination of the operator and operand.